Hello guys, in this video today we will learn how we can create data frame using series. So student, we take an example and understand this concept. So in this example, student, we have two series and in this two series we will create a data frame. So student, first we import our Python pandas library. So to import our Python pandas library, we write import pandas and also write its alias name as pd. Now you can see in next line I'm using here a series function. Student, if you want to create a series, then we will use series function. This series function is also a part of pandas library, and in this function we are passing here a list, and this list contain value 600, 689, 567 and 734, and this series assigned to the variable a. Is it clear? Now in next row also create a another series. Its name is B, and in this series also passing a list that contain numerical value. Now this value name is B. Then after I create a series variable for SER. Then after create these values A and B series passing in a dictionary, and dictionary, you already know, dictionary contain key and value. So a and b contain value, so right here a and b, and key value treat as a index and also attribute name. Then we write here purchase. Purchase contain value of a 600, 689, 567 and 734, and sale key value contain series b value. Is it clear? Then after this dictionary assigned to the variable ser, this series name variable. Then after create a data frame. I am using here data frame function and passing this series in this data frame, and assign this data frame to the variable df. Then we will print df. Then your output will show on your screen. You can see here is showing your key values purchase and sale, and purchase showing your A series value, you already written here, and sale showing B series value. So sale showing your B series value. Is it clear? Okay guys, let's do practical. Yes student, you can see here I paste this statement in this Python IDLE. You can see here first I import our pandas library and assign two series A and B and create a dictionary, so we can set attribute purchase and sell, and also assign series A series to purchase and B series to sale. Then after assign this to variable ser and create a data frame, and in this data frame we are passing here our series and assign this data frame to the df variable and print our data frame. So data frame is df. So now we will print and we will run this. Now student, you can see here your output will show on your screen purchase and sale. Purchase showing your A series value and sale shows your B series value. Is it clear student? Now let's see student next example. In this example also we create a two dictionary passing in this series value. So you can see here first I import our Python pandas library and create a series, and in this series we are passing, that series we were passing list, and in this series we are passing here dictionary. So here already know dictionary contain your key and value. So you can see here this is our student marks, it's your first series. So that contain key Vijay, Rahul and Mega, and Vijay value is 80, Rahul value is 92 and Mega marks is 77. And in this next row again create another series that also contain this your dictionary, and this dictionary contain your city. So Vijay live in Ajmer, Rahul live in Jaipur and Megha live in Kota. Now create a data frame and pass in this data frame a dictionary student marks. You can see here marks, that value is student marks. This is your series name and marks is your attribute. Is it clear? And next for city create a key city and that contain your st underscore city values. So I am passing here in values st underscore city, st underscore city variable contain your Ajmer, Jaipur and Kota. Is it clear? Then after assign this data frame to the a variable df1 and we will print df1. Now you can see when you run this, then you can see here is showing your marks and city, and marks contain 80, 92 and 77, and city will display Ajmer, Jaipur and Kota. And your key you already know treat as a index value. So here is showing according to its index value Vijay, Rahul and Mega. Is it clear, student? Let's do practical. Student, you can see here I have already written this statement in Python. Ideally, so first I import our pandas library and create a series student marks and another series is student city, and this series we are passing through the dictionary in our data frame. Then after print our data frame, you can see here when we will run this, then your output will show on your screen. You can check here is showing your marks and city. Marks contain your a series value student marks, and city contain your b series means student city values, and key is your name Vijay, Rahul and Mega. You already know your key treat as a index, so here is showing Vijay, Rahul and Mega. Is it clear, student? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.